Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Samsung Galaxy Tab to Wi-Fi and restore from cloud. Full guide step by step clearly. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy Tab. Swipe up or tap the apps icon to access the apps menu. Locate and tap on the Settings app. In the Settings menu, find and select Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle switch is turned on. Your device will start scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the scan is complete, you will see a list of networks. Find your desired Wi-Fi network in the list and tap on it. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Tap Connect to establish the connection. Once connected, a check mark will appear next to the network name. Return to the main settings menu by tapping the back arrow. Scroll down and select Accounts and Backup. Tap on Backup and Restore. Here, you'll see options for restoring from your cloud backup. Choose Restore Data. Select the account from which you want to restore. Sign in to your account if prompted. Next, choose the data you want to restore, such as apps, contacts, or messages. Tap Restore to begin the restoration process. Wait for the restoration process to complete. You may see a progress bar indicating the status. Once finished, your device will notify you. Your Samsung Galaxy Tab is now connected to Wi-Fi and restored from the cloud. You're ready to start using your device with all your data restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.